Hi guys, welcome back to Spotarya channel. So today in this video I'm gonna show you how to make Google Chrome your default browser in Samsung A33 5G. But before you continue this video, as always, I hope you like, comment and subscribe to support this channel, and don't forget to hit the notifications bell. So without any further ado, let's get started. Well guys, firstly, go to the settings apps on your phone. I'm gonna swipe it up and here I'm gonna open my settings. In the settings page, you have to scroll it down until you find the apps option. Right here, I'm gonna go ahead. And then in this apps page, you just have choose the first option, which is Chrome default apps. I'm gonna tap on it right now. And for change your browser apps, you just have tap on the browser app right now. After that, just choose the Chrome if you want to change it to the Google Chrome, like that. And after that, you just have simply go back and it will save automatically, as you can see right now. So yeah, just it. I think it's enough guys. Thanks for watching this video. I hope this video will help you. Don't forget to leave your comment in the column below. I'll see you soon on the next one and good luck.